Man, oh man, here we go again. We're back with some second channel action. Now me and Slick, we were just kind of laughing because in the last second channel video with All International, it had some gremlins. Anyhow, a mouse come running and did a, crazy jump out the bed. If you ain't seen it, you want to check out that video. We're hoping the camera got it. Anyhow, we ain't messing with that. We ain't messing with mice, what?
Man, that thing made me jump. I thought it was going to get me, so.
Slick was scared. I don't blame him. That thing was flying. Yeah, if y'all didn't know mouse could fly, they can.
They can.
A little dry. What do you mean she needs more buff job? This thing's the slickest of the slick. So this thing, it's had this little stumble on it that, I don't know, it's fairly newly developed. It didn't do it when we first got it running. But anyhow, Slick got him some jets. He wants to play with jets in the old carbureting machine. So I'm not convinced the jets are gonna fix it, because I done the carburetor swap and did the first to second gear pull with the trailer on the back and everything. I mean, I was giving her hell that day. She never cut out on me.
My thing is we did cut the exhaust off, so it did maybe free up a little bit of horsepower, so therefore maybe you need a little bit more fuel. So I don't know. We'll see.
We're gonna pedal. That's what I'm telling you. I think he already has a carburetor apart.
Yeah, I just gotta slide him back in there.
He came and pulled them yesterday so he could know what he was after when he was parts chasing. I'm trying to remember. I think we determined this one on this side was primary and that was secondary. What size did you take out of there? 140? Both the primary and secondary had a 140. What'd you say you're going for a primary now?
45, and then the secondary I'm gonna do 50.
Okay.
Hopefully it fixes.
Just step it up. Let's give her some fuel. You want some fuel? You get the fuel. We've got them installed. They're ready to go. Hey, try her like that, she'll get all the damn fuel. Don't be tearing up her gasket now. Got hair on it?
Yeah.
Is that why you got that in there so easy? She got the buck 45s and the buck 50. She's about to do the boot scoop boogie now.
We'll see.
All them screwdrivers, and Slick got the old Dollar General special screwdriver I got there. Now Slick's got her back together. Yeah, we're gonna go try it. If that don't fix it, I'm gonna say I've seen it in the comments and I agree with that. As easy as it is, let's slap a new coil on it too. I mean, we don't know nothing about that coil besides she's probably factory. Y'all thought this alternator was crazy in that one video when it was doing damn 16 volts or whatever. This unit's putting out 40 right now. Y'all think I'm playing and I'm not. Watch the video, you'll see. The thing I didn't show y'all with Slick's, it's putting out 16 at the back of the alternator, but it's got an external regulator, guys. So if you go over where the battery is, you're only getting like right at 14, just under 14 over there. So it's charging properly. Just robbing batteries. Dang, we got the bell and wire tie down and I never even noticed. You wrap that sucker against that negative post and it acts as a ground. Let's get her warming up. Guaranteed she'll bust right off. Guaranteed she'll bust right off. And then she'll die. And then she'll bust off again. She'll be good to go. You had your beanie popped up a minute ago with your hair hanging out.
Oh.
You looked all like one of the emo high school kids. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Don't make me change my mind. It ain't done it yet.
No.
She may be fixed, by golly.
You know what that means?
Yeah, and it means you can lose when you race the Yeehaw and not have an excuse.
Yeah.
Didn't stumble once.
That's my girl.
I have matching Steelies.
Priorities.
Y'all missed that joke. I was like, man, I'm so glad and I was gonna say found a Steely for this truck so it had matching wheels, and Slick was like, found that oiling issue. I was like, no, I give a damn if the motor blows up as long as it's got matching Steelies. It was funnier if you would have been there, it would have been funnier, okay? Your jet and trick work, sir. But I do believe I have plenty of coils because people sent me a lot. You want to slap one on for fun?
Let's try it out.
Thought I had some down in here. Actually, I think they even sent me one for your truck.
Oh, yeah, they did.
Need to wipe your hiney? You needed them after that mouse jumped at you earlier. Oh, baby. You mean to tell me it's going to be matching paint job? 2 different color blues? That is meant to be. Yeah, we got the 2-tone blue coil here to go with the two-tone blue truck. Holy cow, this is really going to match the inside of this truck. Could you imagine accidentally sitting that there and having to look for it? You'd never find the damn thing.
No.
What do you think about that performance unit?
Blue streak. This is gonna be a blue streak.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hoping that Dotson.
Oh, you're gonna be seeing some blue streak.
Yeah, rusty one.
We'll get her pulled off and swapped out. Bang! That sucker's on there. Oh! Get her loosened out of there. We're lucky enough for both of these to be stripped. Just shove her and wiggle her in there, maybe.
Want some looby-dooby?
There we go. That's better right there. Tighten that. This ain't gonna tighten too good, but don't worry. Still got them locking. Oh no, she's gonna lock down. So you can tighten her up, just can't loosen her up. There we go. Pop our coil wire on, and our new high performance matching color coil is installed. Alright, next. We want to check some timing on her.
Let's check timing just to be sure, you know. The old distributor does not produce vacuum, so it makes no sense to do it the other way.
Yeah. Like just popped our vacuum advance there. We're gonna cap that. Up on the old negatory. Up on the old positive. Click her on number 1.
Says 6 degrees before top dead center at 900 RPM.
So this timing light is supposed to be adjustable, but what I noticed is if you adjust it, it don't work. But if you leave it down at 0, it's pretty good. So our marks say 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. Well, she's past all that.
All the timing.
We got just enough timing in her to make a stumble damn near go away. Now, I did only see a white mark someone added on there. I can't see an actual notch. So we're gonna do a little more looking here. We're gonna get her sorted. Down a lot. Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot we had the blue blaster on there too. She's about to be all the way tuned up slick.
About to go for a rip. See how she does. Good old salsa from Taco Boy.
We still need to get Slick a new radiator cap. That's way better.
Got more power.
She's got way more power, guys.
Yeah.
It's weird if you get timing within 30 degrees of what it should be. It
I'm just used to small block Chevy, so I'm like, turn it up, crank it.
I can feel that one.
That's good now.
Guys, I ain't joking. With how this thing drives, you can literally feel the difference in power. Now that don't mean it's a lot of power, but you can feel a difference.
Yeah. Good driver now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we took her up and down the highway. This thing is way more gooder. Adjusted our idle mixture screw since we had kind of changed on it. Tightened on that idle just a hair. Yeah, I think this baby's good to go. She's looking pretty good. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Hey, I've got a grinder and a welder right over there.
Gotta be patient, buddy.
Oh shit, it won't take long.
You can do it.
Oh no, what will we do? Not having the old exhaust chugger pumper on there. There we go. That's a little better. I don't even know what that is. What is that? The fuel injection rail or what? Slick's trying to get some running lights going. Oh, there we go. There's some running lights. Hit them with the brake lights, Slick. See how those are brighter? So we've had brake lights, but the running lights or headlights work, but the running lights don't. And Slick he found the wire up here, so it's actually in the switch that ain't sending out 12 volts back there. Did you say clean contacts, buddy?
Golly. It's like he's growing hair.
If we probe that wire, that's when we were getting running lights. But did a little digging. This wire right here is what's supposed to supply the 12 to supply that. So switch is good. Remembered we kept blowing a fuse out here, so we put one in there. And with the fuse in there, hey-o, we got some running lights, folks. Now, how long will that fuse last? Yeah.
No one knows.
Yeah, no one knows. It's the great mystery.
I think we should unplug the heater, and then maybe it'll not blow it.
So that does our dash lights, because maybe y'all can tell there's some on in there and right here. This fan is supposed to always be on, I think, though. Who knows? Do the blower fans ever actually turn off? Because all they show is low, fan, and high. And when it was working, it was always on. We couldn't shut it off. Yeah, I've had a Chevy LUV, but hell, I don't remember. It's been too long. Well, we ain't got time to figure out all of her problems or gremlins, but she's definitely running better, like 10 times better. And for now, anyhow, she does have some running lights working on the hind end. So we just got to take what victories we can get sometimes, guys. Some victories are bigger than others, but all little victories are also necessary. I'm trying to sound smarter, like this was important. We made some progress, damn it. And you know what they say, progress is progress. So, hey, I'm gonna see if we can, I wanna drive it, take it up and down the road real quick, see what she feels like now. See if we can't pop a fuse for our running lights before it gets dark. Appreciate y'all watching. Little second channel fun goodness here. I'm on the Instagrammer, Patreon. We got some merchandise at the pudinsfabshop.com. We're gonna kind of slow down on that going into December. Anyhow, I'll see you guys next time. But do not forget, sitting on your ass won't finish your project. Hot damn, there's so much BS-ery, we had to start a whole channel for all the extras. Be sure to go check out Puddin's Fab Shop if you ain't seen that baby yet. Come on!